relax.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and to the video with me and Gohan. Gohan, I have to leave you here today, okay? I'm sorry. Okay, today we are picking up the RX-7 from APE Auto because I left it there a few days ago. Believe it or not, it's just when we picked it up, me and Larry, we kind of pushed it a little bit. You know what, we drove it regularly, okay? It was tuned in Japan, so maybe it was because it wasn't used to our climate. But when I brought it back to the garage, it started smoking. It was just after that, we towed it down to APE Auto and had them look at it. And I think Han told me that it was just a loose vacuum seal. They said it's okay to go, so we're gonna go there now to pick it up. We will catch you later, my friend. I've given you enough water and food. And you've went on 2 walks already. But also, I'll try not to be too long. Okay, homie? I got a to-do list. So as long as I go down that to-do list, check things off in an orderly manner, and try not to diverge too much from that to-do list, because if I do, that's kind of how my entire day goes to waste. First things first, we're gonna go to the garage, see if one of my friends can drive me to APE, because I'm gonna have to bring the RX-7 back somehow. So yeah, off to the garage. Oh, I just dropped my phone. Oops. They brought it outside for us. Awesome. All right, let's get Han, see what's up. Hey, how's it going? 8. Yeah, they have gold chrome. I need to buy some more for the FRS, that's why. Gosh, when the hell did that happen?
So, was that the drift car in Japan?
Yeah, it's someone's project.
That's one side, and that's the other side.
Holy mother.
So, it hit pretty hard. So, I think somebody drove in the ditch. And the rattle, so your flex pipe is touching that custom sub cradle, and the tailpipe is also touching the rear brace.
Wow, okay.
That's what's when you start the car, it rattles.
Right.
Just that hanger is loose.
Yeah.
The rubber, so I may have to weld it, or bend this one, or
right.
get a new rubber hanger, and just move up a little bit.
Gotcha.
But this one is touching the sub cradle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
But that's something they custom fabbed?
Yeah, it's just like a steel pipe and welded everything together. This is where your engine downpipe
right.
come down, right? So this is, remember like when you were asking me the Supra's, the flex one?
Exactly.
Yeah, so this is the flex pipe. So it's actually touching your cradle. So on the flex pipe, we'll have condensations usually. So it's kind of like just drip, because it's contacting, it's just kind of water's kind of dripping down here.
That's why it's all rusted
and
right
it's
there.
rusting here, right?
Yeah.
So you can see the watermarks.
Probably have to do some custom piping or something here too.
Yeah, because that's a flex pipe, you can't really bend it or anything. But you don't really want to solid, because the exhaust pipe is always gonna flex. That's why they use the rubber hanger. Well, it's definitely a project.
Yeah. Well, it's someone else's build, man. But
So, and I'll show you where the vacuum leak is.
Sure.
We did a temporary fix.
okay.
That's all we can do, because I
Okay.
think he's also missing a part. He was using a temporary fix as well.
Yeah.
I think that plug blew out.
I see.
Yeah, but we just put a regular fix on it, like a temporary fix on it.
Is this someone's build? Or is this a real cop car? It's legit.
So the 2 vacuum leak is actually from this port.
Yep.
Yeah, somebody has a plug and it just blew out, so we just put like a small bolt there and
Oh,
clamped
I
it.
see.
So if you can find a proper wind plug, so you can unscrew this whole sprout out and put a plug right here, and it will fix the vacuum leak issues.
He's a project. Okay, Han. Well, I appreciate you guys for looking at that, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's the problem so far.
Yeah, exactly. And I'll just be super safe driving it down.
But I mean, you can see the sticker, the timing belt being changed, but I don't know how many kilometers this car has.
Yeah, who knows, right?
Engine still sounds healthy.
Okay.
But the oil leak is from the oil pan and the steering rack. Other than that, well, don't go crazy on the road. You don't want to break that control arm.
Yeah, for sure, man. Exactly. and like you said, avoid the potholes. Okay, Han. Appreciate, homie.
Right.
Guys, APE Garage, if you need any help on your vehicles. These guys are awesome. Plus, they do out-of-province inspections. Yeah, drive safe. And then at the garage, we'll just we'll try to look for parts. Cool. Thanks, Larry. Just in case. Okay.
Follow you back to the shop.
Sure, sounds good, man. It's been a minute. Again, there is a way to properly do this. Turn on your accessories, fan, then you can turn it on. Oh, it's in gear. She sounds healthy. And first things first. Straight from the motherland. I see a lot of Japanese people rock these on their cars. Let's make this official. Ta-da! I kind of bent it. Perfect. We're back at the garage. Sunny has come to bring me the seat. Funny story. No intention of buying it whatsoever. I got to the meet, walked Gohan for a little bit, went to exactly where the awards were happening and where they were giving away free packages and stuff. Next thing you know, everyone around me is gasping like, oh my gosh. And then I look down and I see Gohan going at it. All right, Peter, appreciate it, homie. My dog just bought me the seat. Gohan over here had a little accident, has expensive taste. and I felt super bad, okay? Because while everyone was gasping around me, the owners of the store were looking at him peeing on the red bride seat. So I just went up to one of the clerks and I told him I'll straight up buy it. But I had no idea how much it was until I asked. It retails for $2,500 USD. My heart sank. Gohan, he chose his drift seat, I guess. Maybe we'll put it in one of our cars. Bring us this. You guys own a Yaris. Pandem?
Yeah.
Yeah, Pandem just came out with their own.
Pandem Toyota Yaris.
What the? That is so sick. Look how far the spoiler goes out, man.
Dude, it makes it look like the new Corolla a little bit.
Look, there's even a cage
Okay,
in this
I
one.
approve. Let's get a Yaris. Alright. So I've been taking a look at the RX-7. I think she needs a name. And the first thing that came to mind was Ugly Duckling. So I quickly Google translated, and I've decided to name the RX-7. Wait, I have to double check again. I think it's Mimiku, which is the first part of what roughly translates to Ugly Duckling in Japanese. Mimiku. Let me double check here. Japanese word for ugly duckling. Yeah, oh, Miniku. Oops, M-I-N-I-K-U. How you actually say it is
醜いアヒルの子
Minikuai hiru no ko. Oh, man, nah.
醜いアヒルの子
Minikui. Minikui airu no ko. Alright, so the RX-7 is officially named Miniku, the ugly duckling. Definitely not for the purists. If I ever come out with a sticker idea for this, that is exactly what's gonna go underneath Miniku. So it's here. And I feel like it's time to give her the tender loving care that she deserves. So today is all about just cleaning up the body and also doing some body bondo work on some of the rough places, including the front bumper. Did a little bit of research. The kit that's on it, minus the rear bumper, is actually the Ings kit. This guy had to cut a lot of the inner part just to make space for his intercooler. Especially this part, man. There's like a good, there's supposed to be like a flat part here. Maybe a good 5 inches, but that's gone. This is gone, and of course this, he just hacked away at it. No finesse. So that's my goal, is to clean her up and maybe detail the body to my knowledge and to my standard, because I'm no body guy, okay? But I can make things look pretty as an artist. That's pretty good. Okay, let's clean her up. It's just cool to see all of these cars side by side. I think these truck guys at the very end of the lot are doing exactly what we do. They post it up and they're taking photos. That's actually pretty dope. We inspire everybody here. But you know what? That was always the goal. Alright, let's wash this thing. Some tire cleaner. Cover this up. Just gonna lightly spray. Do your best. That's not bad. Okay, so this thing's gas powered. It's a brand new mechanism that this kid brought to the garage. This thing is like super power.
3,000 PSI. The other one was only 1,200.
Once it's hard,
Let it rip! Let's Beyblade! Whoa! Holy!
have that quality about it.
Getting Sunny to
And-
drive the
and so
Supra back.
That was just.
Is that a Supra? No, bro, it's a BMW. Oh, probably ruined this. Gonna race. Bruh, I'm gonna try. Just till 60. Okay? 0 to speed limit. Damn, too fast. What the hell is it? Crazy. What the hell? That guy just went out of nowhere. That reverse light on the Supra is actually pretty bright, but I wish that was a third brake light. Looks sick. Hey. Wait, where's Larry? Thanks, homie. Dude, that other guy wanted to race so bad. Like, he came out of nowhere.
Dude, I tapped at 60 and I was like, okay.
But yeah, no chance. What's up, homie? Yo, what up, what up? Who's that? Who's that? Ow! You punched me in the dick. So it's straight to the back. Okay, okay. Sorry, man. You really needed to go, huh? Give me my shoe.
Go on.
What the hell, dude? That's not mine.
Oh, you grabbed my shoe again? Oh, that's a piece.
Again,
Wear Yeezys to Birdie's house.
yeah, bruh, expensive taste. And then he just leaves it out there. Jeez.
Go on, appreciate. You're so good boy, yeah.
Ooh, you really do have expensive taste. I like it. First Yeezys, now Bride.
Alright, thanks guys. Appreciate it.
You wanna go for a walk?
Hey! Don't say the W word, bro. No. Now he's expecting one. Okay, good night, guys.
Hey.
I'm holding him by the tail. I feel like if he runs fast enough, his tail is just gonna pop off. Yeah. Good night. Peace. That's it. Alright, guys. I think I'm just gonna end the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. You got anything? Oh. You got anything to say?
Hello.
What? Yeah. Okay.